Before I get started, I want to make it very fucking clear. I did not put money on this bum ass nigga. I just gotta talk shit because what the fuck? 25 minutes of play. You're 6'10". Your only job is to really catch lobs and get rebounds. You covered the rebounding part, but 0 points and you attempted not one shot. In 25 minutes of play, you didn't attempt one shot. Imagine you took this nigga over for points. Just imagine. 25 minutes of play, you sitting at the TV like, let's go, let's go. This nigga didn't attempt one fucking shot, my nigga. Not one. Now, I don't know who's really putting money on fucking Daniel Gafford, but it's the principle of the fucking shit. How the fuck are you playing 25 minutes? You were a -4 in the second quarter, and then you were negative back to back. Hang that shit the fuck up, cuh.